Unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 10, there is a Pro version as well that is coming out in a few days' time, in mainland China at least. The global launch is in a few weeks' time. A brand new screen, a brand new processor, a brand new camera setup on the Mi 10 this time around. So let's get it open. So the Xiaomi Mi 10 is the latest real flagship phone from Xiaomi, featuring the brand new Snapdragon 865. It's got 5G connectivity. There is no headphone jack though, so you get the dongle in the box. You also get this free hard case, and you also get a really big fast charging brick in there too. All of the Mi 10 phones, the non-Pro versions, feature this shiny colorway on the back. My personal preference is for this blue one. There is a green version and a pink pearly color too, but my preference definitely is for this shiny dark blue. You get USB-C charging, a speaker on the bottom and a speaker on the top. There are stereo speakers this time around in the Mi 10, and that is something I'm really excited about. You also get this brand new curved AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate in the Mi 10. This display is made by TCL, the same company that makes the TVs. Xiaomi invested a lot of money with TCL to manufacture the screen specifically for the Mi 10 series. First impressions are it's a really high quality screen. You can just tell when screens are high quality in terms of the brightness, the sharpness, but also just the color reproduction. Overall, it is really good looking. Of course, you have MIUI 11 on this as standard, and we'll get more into what you can do with MIUI 11 in a second. Overall though, the design, the bezels are so small, and really this screen is a really high class screen overall. The Pro version, Xiaomi says that the screen on that phone is even better than this. 30-watt fast charging is also a very good spec for this phone. Definitely not the quickest charging out there, although the Mi 10 Pro is a bit quicker than this. You do also get wireless charging, which is a really good feature, and that's what I love to use. So more about the screen. It is a screen manufactured by TCL with a 90Hz refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. It is curved at the sides, and I personally am not a massive fan of curved screens, but they do look amazing. Actually, the curved screen on this is not too bad for me. I actually think Xiaomi have done a really good job keeping it fairly flat and just having a nice curve off at the sides. Xiaomi have put the selfie camera up at the top left, and it just becomes part of the notification bar at the top. We are in the era of the hole punch display, and now that it is coming to more and more phones, I think it actually does look better as a design than the water drop notch. Xiaomi have also put all of the latest technology inside this phone. You get LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.0 storage, Wi-Fi 6 in here too, and a 4700 mAh battery in this phone is actually a little bit bigger than the Pro version is giving us. Overall, the design, the build quality, the look and the feel of this phone is a big step up over the Mi 9. They have also fit a ton more inside this phone. One of the features of this phone that was leaked, and was correctly leaked, was the fact that Xiaomi are using stereo speakers in the Mi 10 and the Mi 10 Pro this time, and they sound really great. I am so happy that they actually put stereo speakers in here. It improves gameplay, and also when you're just watching videos, it really does transform the way that the phone feels and gives you all of this media. On the specs sheet, the Mi 10 may have surprised some people. You get the 108 megapixel main sensor, you get an ultra wide camera, but that's it. The other two sensors are a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. However, because Xiaomi have this amazing 108 megapixel camera, you really don't need a zoom lens even to 2x or 3x. You can take normal images and crop into them the same amount without losing detail. There are Pro modes on here as well for photo and video. You can turn HDR on and off as you wish, but if you go into 108 megapixel mode, HDR is not available. You can also see 8K video mode up at the top there. It's a special mode that you have to turn on. And if you're really into photography in the Pro mode when taking pictures, you can also use RAW as well. Subscribe if you want to see the camera reviews and the comparisons, also speed tests and way more reviews. They are coming very soon. Face unlocking won't be as secure as a Face ID, but you can also use the under-screen fingerprint sensor too. As per usual with Xiaomi phones, absolutely no issues, quick and reliable. Another factor that I really like about the Mi 10 is Xiaomi have definitely improved the haptic feedback in this phone. They have put an inline stepping motor into this device, and you can really feel the difference. It feels way more clicky when it does vibrate, and it is actually very similar to what you get on the iPhone. It's little things like that that I thank Xiaomi Xiaomi for putting in this phone. They could have easily not put them in there, especially trying to keep the price down, but I'm glad that they've really gone all out to give us these little extra features. They will need to do that as the price is creeping up, but overall it looks like a really solid phone. I'm also really excited to get the Mi 10 Pro in my hands. That has quicker fast charging, apparently an even better screen than this one, and some extra camera features too. Again, subscribe if you want to see the unboxing of the Mi 10 Pro. I'll be comparing this against the Mi 10 Pro and loads of other phones as well. But overall, some really good impressions, and let me know in the comments what you like or you want to know. Subscribe for all the latest tech news and videos. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.